So the other night there was a really bad storm. We were hiking through it, getting hailed on, thunder and lightning, and turned out to be a tornado. And this is probably one of the worst spots I've seen. There's trees down all over. I'm actually gonna try and bring the camera with me to get through this. It's gonna be shaky, but I'm gonna see if I can bring it with me. And there is a ledge, like right there. You don't know what the drop is. Climbing over rocks that are slippery. Pretty tough. And I'm stuck. And I'm stuck. Woo! This is what we call rock climbing. Woo! Alright, caught my balance. See, what I'm looking to step on are these rocks. You can't really see them under the leaves. And you gotta duck under the trees. Whew. Well, that's a big tree. Keep going. Whew. Almost to a little clearing. Looking back at what we just went through. And that whole tree fell down that way. A whole bunch of other ones fell too. And what should be trail is now obstacle course. Pretty tough, but fun.